Hi there. Welcome to VPM's Notion. This is your go-to place for Notion tips, templates, and productivity hacks. I'm Bharathi, and here I'll show you how to organize your life, work smarter, and make Notion truly work for you. Subscribe and join me on this productivity journey. Welcome to the Aesthetic Weekly Planner, your all-in-one Notion setup for staying organized, focused, and productive. This planner is designed to help you plan your entire week with clarity and style. You'll find a clean dashboard with sections for your morning and evening routines, weekly goals, and a beautiful task overview, all color-coded for simplicity. Quickly add new tasks, track your habits, and visualize your progress with progress bars and stats. The weekly planner table helps you schedule every hour of your day, from work to family time, keeping your balance right. And yes, you also get a monthly calendar view to stay on top of deadlines, events, and priorities. Whether you're a student, creator, or professional, this Notion template helps you stay on track and build consistency every week. Get ready to plan smarter and live better with the Aesthetic Weekly Planner by VPM's Notion.